A perfect 100 out of 100 drive score, one stock just nailed it on every single metric. Gainster found the setup, and the breakout is live right now in the stock market today. This is your drive score update for May 4th, 2026, US Eastern Time.
Market overview.
We're on day 10 of a confirmed uptrend. The rally has legs and it's still walking 3 distribution days on the books. So the market isn't squeaky clean, but it's behaving. Our drive distribution tells an interesting story. Just one stock in the green zone above 80, but 8 sitting in the yellow. That's a market giving you a narrow path. Quality over quantity. 9 stocks on the watch list. Think of it like a funnel. Plenty of candidates forming bases, but only one is truly ready to pour through. Best stocks to buy now in May 2026 demand patience and precision. If you want these drive score updates every single trading day, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Market moving news.
BWX Technologies, ticker BWXT, just dropped their first quarter 2026 earnings and the results came in strong. The defense and nuclear technology firm continues to benefit from government spending tailwinds. This is positive sentiment for the aerospace and defense sector, and it ties directly into one of our spotlight stocks today. Meanwhile, Seeking Alpha published a bearish take on Saia, ticker SAIA, with the headline quote, "I won't touch it unless the road to fair valuation gets cleared." The trucking giant dropped 6.7% today. We'll look at its chart setup later, but sentiment is cautious here, despite the broader uptrend. And First Eagle's US fund released their first quarter portfolio review, highlighting Schlumberger, ticker SLB, with a positive outlook. When big institutional funds talk up a name in their quarterly letters, it's worth paying attention to the flow of money beneath the surface. Stock Spotlight. First up, Albemarle, ticker ALB, drive score 70 out of 100. Relative strength 95. This specialty, chemicals name, carved a cup formation from 195.69 down to the 154.69 valley floor, then climbed back up to 232 cents. The handle pulled back to 187.33. Breakout level sits at 200.32. It dipped 2.8% today, so it's still coiling in that handle. Lithium demand isn't going away. The question is timing. Next, BWX Technologies, ticker BWXT, drive score 70, relative strength 85. Fresh off that strong earnings report we just covered. The cup stretches from 220.57 down to 183.51 and back to 241.82. Handle formed at 205.66. The breakout trigger is 241.82. It's got some climbing to do, but with earnings momentum behind it, this aerospace and defense name has fuel in the tank. Bunge Global, ticker BG, drive score 70, relative strength 78. Agricultural farm products, not the flashiest sector, but this chart is textbook cup from 124.78 to the 111.72 low, recovered to 130.29, handle at 123.47. It popped 2.2% today, nudging toward that 130.29 breakout. Sometimes the quiet ones surprise you. And Saia, ticker SAIA, drive score 70, relative strength 75. Yes, the same stock that bearish article targeted. The cup is massive, from 417.85 down to 308.92 and back to 457.99. Handle at 403.34. Breakout sits way up at 457.99. After today's 6.7% drop, it's sitting right at that handle floor. High risk, high reward. This one needs the market's help. If you're finding value in these breakdowns, smash that like button. It helps more traders discover the drive score system. Today's top pick. MKS Instruments, ticker MKSI, a perfect drive score, 100 out of 100, relative strength 97. This is the real deal. Picture a coiled spring compressed to its limit and ready to launch. The cup carved from 269.91 all the way down to the 250-cent valley, then fought its way back to 294.05. The handle quietly pulled in to 261.23, and today a 5% surge to 291.53, knocking on that 294.05 breakout door. In the hardware, equipment, and parts industry group, MKSI is the alpha. When a stock scores 100 on the drive, the chart pattern, volume, and relative strength are all singing the same song. This is what institutional accumulation looks like in real time.
Which stock are you watching most closely this week? MKSI, at the breakout, or one of our Spotlight Cup with handles? Drop your pick in the comments.
Honourable Mentions.
Here's the rest of our 9-stock watch list scrolling through beyond our spotlights and top pick. Keep an eye on SLB. Schlumberger got that institutional nod from First Eagle's quarterly review. When fund managers put a name in their letter, smart money often follows. These are all stocks building bases in a confirmed uptrend. The setup factory is open.
Here's what I want you to think about tonight. We've got a confirmed uptrend on day 10, but only one stock cracked the green zone. That's not weakness, that's selectivity. The market is telling you it rewards precision right now, not spray and pray. Tomorrow, watch whether MKSI, MKS Instruments, can clear that 294.05 level with conviction. If it does, we might be looking at the start of something special in the hardware space. Until next time, this is Gainster. Trade smart, stay patient, and let the drive guide you.